Alright, hello everyone. Today I went to Ollie's real quick and they had these like 10 comic bundles and there were some My Little Pony comics and stuff in them. So I got them because I was like, they're $6 for 10 comics. I gotta see what's in here. So I got 3 of them and we're going to open them up together. I also had a 15% off coupon, so it was a really nice deal. So first we have Ponyville Mysteries. I forget what this one's about. I think it's about it's about like forestation and stuff. That's cool. Then we have a Star Wars comic. Really good. Put that aside for my husband. Oh, we have an Uncle Scrooge comic. Very nice, very nice. This will be really interesting. Oh, we have another My Little Pony comic. This one's for the movie. This one's about Solano. That's really cool. Then we have another comic about Donald Duck. Oh, look, the Splash Mountain characters are in there. That's cool. Another DuckTales comic. Oh, this has the new style in it. That's very cool. Another Star Wars comic. I'll go to the husband. And another Star Wars. Oh, there's a porg. And the guys that they have in Galaxy's Edge too. Oh, look, another Star Wars. This one looks like another issue for the other one. Very nice. And a DuckTales. Again, the new style, which is very cool. All right. Number 2. Sorry, this comic has a 3 on it, so I'm confused. Oh, another Star Wars. Husband. Another of the new DuckTales. Very nice. More Star Wars. Oh, it looks like Finn. Oh, here we go. This is another pony comic about the deforestation. Oh, this one is cool. This one's just all about Tempest. Very nice. Oh, hey, Nightmare Nights. This one has Trixie and Daybreaker, all the like reformed villains and everything. Oh, another Ponyville Mystery. I think Ponyville Mysteries and Spirit of the Force I'm getting mixed up. I don't think I've ever read these, so this will be cool to check out. Another Star Wars. Another new DuckTales. And Nightmare Nights. Oh, good, good. That's very good. I'm glad to see that one. All right, and last one. This is just a quickie. All right, we have more Star Wars. More new DuckTales. Another one of that issue, but that'll be okay. I'm really excited for all of these. Another of this issue is Spirit of the Forest, which is perfectly fine with me. Another one of the Tempest, again, very fine with me. I turned a lot of those into buttons, so works. This issue, which is good because it had a lot of Trixie in it. This Ponyville Mysteries, which is good because the CMC sell really well, so I'm very happy about that. Another Star Wars. Another of the new DuckTales, very nice. And last but not least, we have this one-shot, which I actually have not seen at all. I'll have to check this one out. I don't even really know. Oh, it looks like they turn into kids at some point. This will be really good to see, because I haven't even looked at this one. Yeah, look, they're all babies. Oh, how cute. I'm very excited for this one. So, that was a quick unboxing. So, if you want to get any of these, I recommend looking on the front and back, seeing if they have something you like. And then, if you don't turn in buttons like me, you might get disappointed and get some of the same ones. But if you just want to get one of those, it's really great. And you can also fill your pony collection or your Star Wars, DuckTales, lots of things like that. Hope this video is informative, and I hope you guys take care.